Assembling the Lancaster Table and Seating receptacle enclosure is fast and easy. All hardware is included, the only thing you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. First, tighten 4 of the cam screws into the pre-drilled holes in panel 1. Repeat this process with 12 cam screws in both panel 2 and panel 3. Use 2 cam fasteners to secure panel 4 to one end of panel 1. Repeat this process by attaching panel 5 to the other end of panel 1. Carefully place these newly connected panels atop the screws in panel 2, taking care to align the screws and holes. Use 8 cam fasteners to secure each of the 3 sides to panel 2. Use 2 cam fasteners to secure each panel 6 to the pair of side-by-side screws in panel 2. Carefully place panel 3 atop the previously connected panels. Use 12 cam fasteners to secure panel 3 to the rest of the enclosure. Slide panel 7 into place atop the pair of panels labeled 6. Use 3 long Phillips screws to attach each panel 6 to panel 7. Insert a hinge into each of the 3 large holes in panel 8 and attach each of them using 2 short Phillips screws. Use 4 small Phillips screws to attach the other side of each of the hinges to panel 3. The enclosure is now assembled and ready to be used.